To begin making my wreath, I need to start making a star first. Well, yes, I need to make a star, and for that I need a perfect square piece of paper. I'm taking a craft paper or a brown paper, easily available. One can even take any other color paper. So I just folded the paper neatly into half, and the edge which is folded, I'm going to take it onto the other side. I'm going to take this folded side onto the other side, about 1/3 from this end and 2/3 from this end. So at the junction of 1/3 from the open end and 2/3 from the close end, approximately around that point, I'm going to place it and neatly fold it. Turn it over, and this side I'm going to fold back on its own so that it's in line with this edge. Turn it over and fold this thing here so that it's a perfect in all sides. It should look like this. There are two sides, one with an open flap and all edges meeting neatly, and the other side which has got lots of ridges. Now the side which has the lowest tip here on the folded side, keep that side forwards, and on the opposite side this is the complete edge, and just halfway from it I need to cut this point. Once you do it, you will find it happening. It just works out, and this is how I open up my star. Now this is not so perfect now, so I'm going to fold this. This is in alignment. I'm going to pull this crease up, fold it. In between crease, I'll fold it down. In between crease down and the pointed crease up. In between crease down and the point of the star outside. So you can actually store this kind of stars by folding them and keeping them like this. So once you open them, they stand out like this. So I've already made a star in silver paper, and I'm going to glue it over on this. Next, I'll punch a hole on this side. And there's a tiny hole here, and I've taken a string of jute. Here it's ready to hang. Now for the wreath, I've taken a piece of wreath hoop or a wire hoop for a wreath base, which is black in color, and I've taken some greens. These are natural greens that I've picked from outside. You can use artificial or the real greens, and I'm just gonna add these greens on this part, only this much, only the lower half of the wreath. So one can use wire tags, rope, strings, or sellotape to add them. The only thing to keep in mind is I'm starting from the top and going towards the center, because this is the free end and this is the end where I joined it with the hoop, and I'm going to overlap this joint with another piece, so the joint won't be seen when in the final product. Now I have already added the greens and I really like it this way also. I can leave it like this. But at this point you can add and make it more jazz up or keep it as simple as that. I just decided to add few little touches of glitter or gold, and I'm just adding these sequins around this area. They would just shine through very subtly, and I just want this subtle glow and nothing too much. You can glue them or use double-sided tape, anything. Lastly, I'm going to attach the star here. I'll just use the strings and dangle them just about this much and just make a little bow here. When it comes to decor, I think less is more, and I like this simple, minimal, all natural, neutral, yet modern, and I find this wreath very beautiful, very appealing to my eyes. I like that soft little star which is not showy but has a little glam in it still with the silver paper. It's shining little. I don't know it's appreciable on the lens or not. And I like this natural greens on my wreath. Always love bringing nature inside my home, and I think this looks beautiful. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you like this little DIY of mine. See you soon in my next video. Take care.